Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of the 5 days of bargain bead box for the August 2026 collection, Cigarro Sunset. I have 5 tutorials and this is the second one out of the 5. And like the first one, I didn't use any of the red jasper in this one either. I'm saving it for the last 3 tutorials. I wanted to show you how you can just use totally different colored beads out of this month's box, along with a few additions. So if you're not familiar, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. They are $24.99 a month, and they're usually valued at over $60. This one is $90.79. So it's really a bargain. So I used for this, my seed beads were, again, the bronze, like last time, the 11Os. Then these gorgeous 6O turquoise beads. I have to get more. They look like they match my nails, actually. I was laughing afterwards. And then I used the red faceted rectangle beads. I used the sea sediment jasper. And, yeah. And then I used this gorgeous cactus pendant. So if you want to learn how to make this, then stay tuned. So for my second one, I am using the crystal faceted rectangle beads. I'm using the sea sediment, jasper, man-made round beads, and orchid. This is my second one. I didn't use any of the red beads, the red jasper yet. The last 3 tutorials, like I said in my first video, I have 5 tutorials. So I wanted to do the first 2 a little different and not use any of them. In the last 3, I'm busting it out. And then I'm using, like my last tutorial, 11O bronze, these seed beads. And then these gorgeous 6Os in turquoise. Look at this. These are from Hobby Lobby. I love the finish on these. They're so pretty. So I have these, and let me put these over here. So I have this first side done. And then I used the other cactus. So I just kind of wanted to do something different. So I love the way this turned out. I love this blend of colors. It's very colorful. So we're going to, and I had 24 inches I cut of this beading thread. I have to get out I forgot to get out all of my stuff. Hold on 1 second. I have to get 2 crimp beads. I had my girl cut my nails because they were getting too long. So now I can't use them to scoop things out. I hope everybody is doing well. This was such a fun box this month. Okay. Make sure this works right. I'm not sure about that one. There we go. Yeah. Throwing that one out. If I even think there's a problem with those, I throw them out. And then I need some clamshell covers. Yeah, I'm used to having some nails, but I told her, I said, cut mine down. They're getting too long. Like I said in my unboxing video, I'm working on my bead room right now. I will be doing a full show. When, I have no clue, because it's just taking me so much longer than I thought it would. Okay, so I have 2 crimp beads, 2 clamshell covers, 2 jump rings, and a lobster clasp. Okay, and I'm going to turn this around because I did this one the other way as well, and I'm left-handed. So make sure everything is in view. Okay, so we're going to make some of those, some of those. I loved these turquoise beads. I thought they were so pretty. Okay, so now we are just going to follow this. So I'm going to do a turquoise. I'm going to do 3 of the bronze. 1, 2, 3. And I did this bronze to kind of match with this pendant. We're going to do another turquoise. So we have that. Then we're going to do a red triangle. I wasn't going to do the red, and then, like I said, that's why I love doing these new ones, doing the videos this way, because I get to really work and see what I like and don't like before I start filming. Okay, and then I'm going to add a orchid sea sediment, and then I'm doing a bronze in between each one. 1, 2. But yeah, I wasn't sure, and then I ended up trying it, and I really loved the red in it. And it's fun to use, you know, to mix different colors and everything. Okay. So here we have this. So now we're going to this again. Let me make sure I have everything. I just want to make sure that's in view. Okay. So now we're going to go to the turquoise, the red, the turquoise, to here, and then we're going to do 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, and another turquoise, and another red, like that. So here we are here. So now we're going to do 1 more turquoise. And then we're going to do the orchid with the copper in between. Yeah, I really loved this little bit of the turquoise pop. It's all over it. 3. And then 4. Okay, so here we are here. So now we're going to go with that again. We're going to do the turquoise. Oh, turquoise, red, turquoise. Let me get a few more here down here. And then we're going to do 3 bronze. 1, 2, 3. We get 3. Here we are with this. I'm going to do another turquoise and another red and another turquoise. So here we are, 1, 2. So we have 2 more sections of this. Okay, so here we are this. So now we are going to do the orchid, and I love all the speckles of color. I love that they're not solid, these orchid ones, because it just adds more texture to the piece of jewelry that you're working on. You know, because the turquoise, the red, and the bronze are all solid. So getting this, the orchid that has the speckles on them and stuff, it really adds to the piece in my eyes. Okay, so now we're going to do a turquoise, a red, a turquoise, and then 3 coppers. 1, 2, 3, and then turquoise, a red, a turquoise, turquoise, like that. And then we're going to do the last section. So here's the purple, or the orchid, And then the bronze. Orchid. Bronze. It's starting to thunder outside. Thank gosh I got my walk in this morning. Okay, so here we are like this. I'm just gonna hold this up. Should I make, okay, yeah. God, this is so pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna do this last section right here. So we're gonna take, okay, so we're gonna do a turquoise, a red, a turquoise, 3 bronze, 1, 2, 3, and then a turquoise, a red, and turquoise. And now it is finished. So let me pick these up and move everything off to the side. Okay, let me turn this around now. Yeah, I love this. I absolutely love these colors together. I think it's fun. You know, you don't have to always go with what the box gives you. You know, believe me, I have 3 other tutorials that are all red jasper. But I wanted to do something a little different for the first couple ones. Okay, so now I have a different way of ending my necklaces than some other jewelers. So I put the clamshell cover on, and then I put the crimp bead on, and I bring the crimp bead down about 1 inch, and then I make sure it's in the middle there. I take my fat nose pliers and I flatten them. Then I bring the clamshell cover up. I try and move it, make sure it doesn't move. Then I turn it around. And then I make sure that it's the same way, going the same way as the clamshell cover. And then I will take those and I will go back down. I'm not sure if they're going to go down through the seed beads. So I'm just going to do that right there. So we have that. So now I'm going to lift this all the way up. I think this is very easy. I do it the other way too, where I crimp them and I use wire guards and everything. It just depends what I'm doing. And I sell a lot of my jewelry, and this lasts. I wear all my jewelry too, and these do not come apart as long as you do the crimp bead right. And then there's the crimp bead right there. And then I reach in, I make sure there's no gaps in there, and I reach in there like that, and I lift it up just a hair. Ooh, oh, it got windy outside. And then I make sure that's flattened. I pull on that, and then I will turn that around. My husband is out biking right now. I hope he's okay. He didn't get blown over. And then I bring that through like that. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's pretty scary outside all of a sudden. And close that up. Then I hold that open like this. And I take the flesh side of that and do that down. So now here we have this. So now I'm going to take the smaller jump ring, and I always use my round nose pliers because I'm always bending things and shaping them. So I end up using them all the time. And I do that. Sometimes I have to do it, so I end up just using them all the time. Okay, so there's that. Then I have my bigger one. And I got this. There we go. And here we have number 2 out of 5 days of jewelry with bargain bead box for August of 2026. I hope you enjoyed this. This was so much fun to do. And I love the color mix. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. They almost look like they match my nails. So yeah, like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And these boxes are $24.99 a month. They're valued at over $60 a month. And the Sagaro Sunset Collection this month was over $90.79. So that is a great, great bargain. So all the information is below in the description, along with my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and I think my TikTok's there too. I'm on there once in a while. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you on my next one for day 3.